Hi, Assalamu alaikum. How is everybody doing today? This morning we will be making some upma. It's South Indian dish. It's very easy and very fast. You can cook this dish. You can cook in 5 minutes if everything is prepared. Also, I can show you how to prepare everything in a bulk and put the mixture in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. Whenever you want it, you can just heat up some water, and you can put that mixture in there, and you can have upma, fresh upma. Or also you can, with the same mixture, also you can make soji idli, rava idli. Okay, we're gonna do that in next video, but right now watch for my video. I'm gonna do that later. So today we are just gonna make upma. Okay, for upma we needed some soji, sumalina. It's a finely cracked wheat. Okay, and then over here some onions, a little bit of onions, maybe I have a quarter onion, and a couple of curry leaves, curry pak, and some ginger grated. I grated them, and potatoes. Potatoes are optional. Also, if you want, you can put with the potatoes. Also, you can put some peas and carrots, or any other vegetable upma. Also, you can make a vegetable upma. And also, we needed some cashew nuts. I use cashew nuts. A lot of people use peanuts too. It's okay to use peanuts or maybe cashew nuts. And we have some mashki dal, 1 spoon of mashki dal and 1 spoon of chana dal. So one spoon of chickpeas, split chickpeas, and 1 spoon of this black gram dal. Okay, beans, and I have 2 dried red pepper and some mustard seeds. Okay, after that I'm going to show you chutney. Let's first go ahead and make this upma, then we're going to make some coconut chutney. Okay, our oil is hot. We will add this mustard seeds. So once the mustard seeds cracked, definitely make sure the mustard seeds are cracked, and be careful with the mustard seeds. I always told you all that. Just splash everywhere, mess up the kitchen, and that they also come in your eyes and stuff. So you can cover this. See? Once the noise stopped, now the noise is stopped, so stop cracking. We can put some red pepper. Okay, fry for 2 minutes. Then we'll put this dal. Okay, chana dal and mashki dal. It's optional. A lot of people don't like it. Some people likes it. I like it. And then you're gonna add potatoes and onions and everything, curry leaves and ginger. As soon as you put the ginger and the curry leaves, start smelling so good. You don't have to fry these onions too much, just to start out a little bit until it gets a little softer. Don't fry the onions until it gets brown. The taste is going to change completely. So if you have 1 cup of sumalina soji, you needed 3 cups of water. Okay, you're going to use 3 cups of water. So onion has to get a little softer. We'll wait for a few more minutes. Then we'll pour the water. Okay, we'll pour some water. 1 cup, 2, and 3. And we're gonna wait for the water to boil. We're gonna add some salt to taste. And we are going to stir it, and we are going to let it cook until the water boils. While the water is boiling, we are gonna go ahead start making the chutney. Okay, to make chutney, coconut chutney, all the ingredients, let's go check the ingredients. We have I have some coconut. I don't have the peanuts, otherwise I put some peanuts in there too, and 2 cloves of garlic and 2 to 3 green pepper. It's not that spicy, so I put 3 of them. Then some mint leaves. I just picked it up from my garden, fresh mint. Smells so good. But do not plant the mint in the garden like me. It goes everywhere. Whenever the lawn guys do the lawn, it smells like a mint everywhere. It smells so good though. But it takes it over. Everything is very invasive. Okay. And then also I have some tamarind. I'm gonna put a little bit of tamarind juice. If you don't have tamarind, you can put the lemon juice. Okay. And for the tadka tempering, we need some mustard seeds and red pepper and some curry leaves. Okay, let's go grind all these things. I'm gonna come back and meet you, show you rest of it. Okay friends, I grind my chutney. So yummy, looks so good. So very nice chutney. We're gonna put tadka in this chutney. Okay, a little bit of oil, not too much oil. Once oil is hot, we put mustard seeds and red pepper. Okay, the oil is getting hot. And then I'm going to put some red pepper. Just going to start splashing, again dancing. Ooh, look, I already got burn on my hand. It jumps, that's why I get so scared of it. Okay, we are gonna add some curry leaves. They also jump. Splash the oil with the fresh curry leaves. Okay, that is done. So we will add our chutney. Okay, that's our chutney. Yummy, yummy. Chutney. Okay, our upma water is boiling. So we are gonna go ahead and start adding this soji. We are gonna start adding this soji, malai, slowly. Slowly. It's gonna take all 3 cups of water for 1 cup of soji. So. We're going to reduce the heat, and then we're going to add this fresh few curry leaves and the cashew nuts. This is going to splash too. And then we're going to add some ghee, clarified butter, 2 small spoons. And then you're going to stir it. Okay, the flame is low. We're gonna leave it for a few seconds, maybe a minute or 2. Then we're gonna turn the stove off. Then our upma will be ready. Okay, I think our upma is ready. Let's open and see. Look at that. It's a nice and fluffy upma is ready. There's no lumps, no nothing in there. This is so nice. And fluffy upma is ready. Okay friends, our nice and fluffy upma is ready and the delicious chutney is ready. Please go ahead and try this recipe. I think definitely you're gonna like it, and if you like it, click like, share, subscribe, support my channel. Okay, bye, see you in next video.